Hello everybody, it's Michael Adams here today. It's Michael Adams. As usual, I will be doing another video. This may be longer than usual, I'm sorry, or shorter. It's a different time as I'm filming this. My mom let me stay here for the video so I can do this video with you guys. It's awesome, isn't it? Let's go. Okay, I'm gonna get an object. As you guess, magnet blocks once again. I might time lapse this part, probably. So I will see you guys maybe. I'm probably not just gonna time lapse it. I'm probably just gonna build it, and then I'll show you the reveal at the end of the video after the entire build's set, because I need to do a lot of work. This build is big. Hold on. I might time lapse this. I'm not sure. If you do time lapse it, and you want to see it, I'm sorry. We're probably not going to time lapse. You can fast forward in the video if you want to. Fast forward then to like the 45th or like one close to the end, because I will be doing some stuff at the end. Sorry if you guys can hear that song. That's my little sister. That's my sister's. I can hear it. Comment down below, guys, if you can hear that. Comment down below if you have sisters. Hold on. I'm gonna snap of a finger in like 12 minutes. It's gonna be done. Honestly, in real life, it's been like most of my day. Here, look at this giant stuff right now. Hold on, I have way too much stuff to do. Oh my god. Like, all of that was just... Things will get later. Honestly, we could use some windows right now. I'm going to place in some of the windows, everybody, and then we will be back. There's a window all the place. In the bottom of the ocean, and when they woke up, and their toothpaste. This is a very, very not that big house, so I think we will be able to do the roof with a regular magnet blocks. Sorry guys, I am very quiet today. I just went to the park. I'm very tired. So if you guys hear me on, comment down below. Don't comment that one. That was just way too annoying. Toothpaste. Hey, we can put another window in. Where should we put another window? How about here? Let's take out that block and make window. There. Now, yeah, sure. A magnet block. Sorry guys, I'm very, very comment down below if you think we should make a fort out of this, which I am now. I'm making it look cooler. Sorry guys, I'm just in my room. Sorry if the light's shining in your face. I really don't have anything to do other than move you guys back, which probably didn't help. I don't know how to film. I'm a 7-year-old. So if I don't know how to film, comment down below. Also, we do not have any sponsors. Nobody is sponsoring me because I don't even ask people to sponsor me. Let's just say it's sponsored by me because I'm the only one ever doing videos on the channel. I totally forgot my channel name right now. But once I upload these, I will tell you guys the channel name. If you guys have already seen the channel, click the like button, subscribe, and if you don't like it, comment down below because I love you. Because nobody ever likes my videos. Let's see. I will reveal in a moment. Hold on. Still working on it. Comment down below if you guys want to see the ending of this, because I'm probably going to end the video. I don't know when. Because I am very tired. My throat hurts and everything. Guys, comment down below. Say yeah, not boo, because everybody that wants and everybody in my family wants to see my videos. And if I don't have enough subscribers, I can't make these videos. So, subscribe! All my family wants you guys to sub to the channel. Subscribe to this channel. So help out, please. I really appreciate it. Also, I'm still building. I didn't stop. I'm building stuff for the house. That's amazing. So that's a poop. Look at this. Hold on. Let me show you guys. Can you guys see how tall those are? I'm literally putting them there as little things. No, don't take it out. Oh! Okay. Well, let's destroy all these. Those triangles. Oh no! I destroyed the entire layer of the house. Now I have to put the house back together, guys. And see you guys in the next video. I'm just kidding, and we're not doing an 8-minute video. We're doing a longer video. We're also doing more stuff after the part of the magnet blocks. We're also gonna go big. We're gonna go big or go home. We're gonna go bottle flipping, and we're gonna go a 20 in a row. Also, here's the final results. Yeah. It's showing blue. Night. Yeah? SpaghettiOs. Sorry guys, that was my mother asking me for dinner, and yeah, what I wanted for dinner, so yeah, that happened. Okay, so let me turn that around. Hello. That was the story. Hold on. Hold on, guys. Superman! Oh! Whoa! Wow. Camera is literally Korean. Okay, sorry guys. We're just gonna clean up. Don't worry about this part. I might time lapse it, I'm not sure, I don't know. Made the video a whole lot shorter. But I will do a beginning intro. On the next video, we will be attempting 100 bottle flips in a row. We will attempt it next video after this video. This video's goal is literally not that much. It's only 20. My best is 9.1. I've not bottle flipped in years though. Also, if you want to see more content, like and subscribe to the channel. Hold on, that was just the intro. Then almost still. I'm like 11 minutes. Not done. We're not done with the video yet, guys. Steve, please stay tuned, because at the end we will be going fire with bottle flips on this channel. Sorry guys, I'm still cleaning up from the mess that I've had. It was very big, and I had to clean it all up. So I might see you in like the 13th minute or so. I will be talking to you about my life. I'm very tall for my almost 8-year-old body. Technically 8. My birthday is April 11th. So comment down below if your birthday is April 11th. Comment down below. I will try to do videos with my mother sometime. If you want to see that, like and subscribe to the channel. Otherwise, my mom will haunt your dreams. I'm just kidding, guys. That's probably going to make you unsubscribe. I'm sorry. It won't. I will just be unhappy. I will just be sad. Subscribe so I will be happy. Otherwise, I'll be bursting in tears. And also, you guys don't have to subscribe. I'm just saying you should subscribe to this channel. You should subscribe to That's Amazing. I'm trying to beat 3,000 bottle flips. I'm rivaling them right now with me. I'm not. They didn't ask me to rival them. I'm just trying to rival them. Like act like I'm gonna rival them, but I'm not going to because oh my God, Tommy would crush me. Oh my God, Owen would get absolutely destroyed. Oh, Matthew. Oh, I don't even want to talk about what's happening with Matthew. And then, Colin, I could see what has happened with Colin. But Tommy, Matthew, Isabel, Maggie, oh my God, those two girls are get the heck out of them. Wouldn't even try. That's so perfectly. Now, guys, sorry if you guys are watching this not offended. I'm just saying the truth here, guys. Just saying truthness. Don't get all mad at me, otherwise I'll get mad at you and cut you out of the channel. Cut you and you won't be on my channel anymore. So, I probably will start getting some, I might ask for my mom to make t-shirts, or my Nana, or somebody in my life to make some t-shirts for me, or I will send out, I don't have